The Magic Pot. Today's lesson: greed loses, sharing and unity win. Please subscribe for more stories. In a small village nestled between the mountains and a crystal-clear river lived a girl named Leena. Leena was known for her generous spirit. She often shared meals with her neighbors, spreading joy with her delicious dishes. The villagers formed a tight-knit community, united in their support for each other. One day, while gathering herbs in the forest, Leena discovered an ancient-looking pot, partially buried under a cluster of wildflowers. Leena felt a strange warmth as she lifted the pot. Curious, she brought it back to the village. That evening, as Leena prepared a simple meal, she decided to place a small piece of bread into the pot, wondering if it might be a special cooking utensil. To her amazement, the pot began to glow, and the single loaf suddenly multiplied into a full basket. The pot's magical properties astonished Leena. She shared her discovery with the villagers, who were equally astonished and amazed. Together, they decided to test the pot's capabilities. They placed a banana inside, and in an instant, the pot filled with an abundance of fresh bananas. The pot could replicate anything, multiplying it many times. The villagers rejoiced, seeing the pot as a gift. They used it to multiply food, ensuring that no one would go hungry. Every evening, the villagers gathered in the village square for a grand feast, sharing the bounty produced by the magic pot. It was a time of celebration and togetherness, with laughter and joy echoing through the village. But soon, greed crept in among some villagers. A villager named Jack began to exploit the pot's magic. He secretly placed a rare herb into the pot. The pot overflowed with an abundance of herbs, which he then sold in the nearby towns for a high profit. He then placed the rare seashells into the pot. Seashells spilled out of the pot in abundance. The valuable seashells were sold for a hefty sum. Jack's wealth grew, but so did his greed. He wanted more and more, believing the pot's magic was limitless. One day, he placed a gold coin into the pot. But as the pot began to glow, a strange thing happened. The glow intensified, and instead of producing more gold, the pot started to shake violently. The villagers, alarmed by the commotion, gathered around. The pot suddenly burst open, releasing a blinding light. When the light subsided, the pot was gone. The villagers were left stunned and silent. They realized that the magic pot had disappeared because it had been misused. Leena, who had discovered the pot and witnessed Jack's actions, spoke up.
The pot's magic was a gift meant to bring us together, not to fuel greed and selfishness.
Jack, filled with guilt and shame, confessed to his wrongdoing. The village elders encouraged everyone to work together. As they had before, the pot was found sharing resources and supporting each other. The villagers learned that true wealth lies in community spirit and sharing. The moral of the story is that greed can lead to the loss of precious gifts. True happiness and prosperity come from sharing, generosity, and working together. The end.